Welcome back to our second part of how to learn a foreign language. If you like our video, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Staying motivated. 1. Change things up. Using the same materials or procedure every day can become monotonous. Play interactive games, watch videos, and read scripts. In order to reinforce what you're learning and increase fluency, include the new language into your regular reading, writing, and entertainment. 2. Set goals. You could choose to learn 10 new words or 5 new phrases per day. You might also choose to read a few pages in your target language each day, watch a show, or listen to a few songs in the language. Perhaps you'd like to establish a daily goal of speaking a specific quantity of the target language. Set goals based on your personal learning style and be realistic. 3. Don't be disheartened. Learning a new language can be challenging. Don't beat yourself up if you're still not fluent after a few months. Concentrate on what you've learned and keep trying. To stay motivated, remind yourself why you wanted to learn a new language in the first place. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.